What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking Volkswagen Golf R-Line in King's Red. As you can see, the red is really popping up and shining really nicely. Now let us start off by taking a look at the front part of the car before we jump right into the interior. For those of you who love a red color car, this looks really good. So let's start off with the front lights. You got some amazing bright finish of a chrome-like design for the front lights. You get some dark housing of the lights on the inside. You get your DRLs that will turn on later to show it to you, but normally they light up right here together with right here as well. So amazing indeed how they have that over there. And for the R-Line, of course, you get the R badging right here. Love the lines that will come on later. I'll show it to you. You also get your number plate holder that goes right there, your ADAS sensor right there, and this honeycomb sort of like front grille. Your radiator is right there as well. And for the front bumper, as you can see, you get this red lining right here, and you also get the gloss black finishing highlights at the bottom right here in the center. Blends in really well, makes it look very edgy, especially when you get something red like this. Now for the center right here, you do have your red front splitter also as well. Looks damn good. Now for the front hood, there's some lines that are popping down like this. Looks really nice, make it look as aggressive as it can actually be. For the side profile of the wheels, as you can see, two-tone finish, got the silver and the black, solid disc brakes on the inside, and you do have the tire size, which is 225/45 R17. Amazing looking front wheel. For the rear also at the same time. You get your R badging at the side, together with your mirror, black matte finish of a housing, follows the body color as well. Side sort of like skirting, you get it in black to blend it with the front. Your door handles look just like this, and you get your B pillar also in black. So there's a lot of black and red that are happening right here with this car. Now on the inside right here, for the doors, you get your ambient lighting hiding right underneath. You get this texture-like finish over here, top right here, leather, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You got your window adjustments, you got your opening up of the doors, compartment storage down there, speaker goes right there as well. Now for the interior seats, looks fantastic. R badging right here on the seats. Love this design-like finish for the center part of the seats. Blue lining that comes together, leather finishing at the side, some sort of like microfiber finish on the inside. Let's jump right in. The seats are manually adjustable from there, and of course this one right here for you to pull. Ambient lighting right here also as well. Love this finish of a front dashboard. Amazing 12.9-inch screen, another screen right there. Center right here to control your gear knob, parking handbrake, engine start stop button, wireless charging. Cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Driver's seat, seat belts are in black. Legroom is good. So let's get right down. Take a look at the rear. Amazing space-like finish for the rear so as well. Doors look good. Ambient lighting hiding right underneath. Handle right here to open up the doors. To hold to close the door. Compartment storage, speaker, window adjustment. Nice. Now for the rear wheels, 225/45 R17. Black, silver, solid disc brakes on the inside. Looking good. Nice. Let's jump right into the back part. Right here. So you get some compartment storage right here and right here as well. And over here, you get your air vent adjustments, temperature adjustments, touch sensitive over here. Get your two Type-C connectivities for you to charge right down here. The view from the back looks good, and this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts are in black. It's good, very nice. So let's pull this down. Cup holder goes right there. Access for you to access the rear boot. Let's jump right into the center. So yeah, headroom is good, fabric lining at the top, and legroom is also good as well. Earlier while sitting, nice. So let's get right down. The wheels, petrol tank is right here. So for the rear part, you get your shark fin sort of like antenna, black, doesn't follow the body color, which is also nice. Wiper, you get your Volkswagen logo right there. This is for you to open up the rear boot. You get your Golf wording right here, ETSI over there, because this has some hybrid technology in the inside part of the car. We'll turn the rear lights on to show it to you, but I love how the black housing is also there as well. You get your number plate, it goes right here, and of course the rear diffuser, very clean design, but also in black. So that's what's nice about this. Looking really good. So let's open up the rear and take a look at the boot space. Fantastic. Spare wheel given also as well. You can fold down the rear seats, show it to you right now. That's one of it. Very nice. And how about this one right here? Amazing indeed. Very nice space. So of course this part right here, you can remove it if you don't wish to have it. You can put much more higher stuff for the rear. And you do also have your lighted up VW golf ball kind of a light. Doors for the driver. Side mirror adjustments. Windows up and down. You have your child lock for the rear windows as well. Opening up the doors, lock and unlock, textured like finish for the side of the door, compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there, sport pedals, the brake and the accelerator looks good, manual seat adjustments, love the R badging right there, looks good. So let's hop right in. You have your other settings for your lights, all located right here, event adjustments here, and you also get your beautiful buttons right there on the steering. No longer the touch sensitive kind of stuff, but yeah, you do have your Volkswagen screen right there, 10-inch, 12.9-inch. It looks really good. So you also have your hazard light that goes right there. We'll turn on the lights to show it to you shortly, like that. But yeah, gear goes right there as well. Looks really good. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat, and yep, it feels really nice indeed. I love these sport pedals that are right down there. 2 Type-C connectivities down here, wireless charging. Apple CarPlay is also wireless. Keep some stuff down here. Cup holder. Damn cool. Nice. So let's take a look at the lights. So as I mentioned, the Volkswagen logo is already lighted up. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front, like that. Damn cool. So VW, the light that goes across like that, damn cool, damn sleek. I also like how they have it over here, and then these parts actually light up on the inside. So that's damn cool, man. Makes the car look very sporty. Now what about the rear? Let's jump right into the rear. Close this down. Take a look at the tail lights. Amazing curve. IQ light wording right there. Nice. So for the turn indicators, let's turn the hazard lights on. So for the side mirrors, you get the hazard lights over there, and also you have the waving sort of like light from right to left, and your DRLs at the bottom still remain, those 2 lights, and of course the centerpiece together with the badging is still there as well. Now my favorite part is the rear, how the turn indicators actually look like over here. I like how it's at the edge of every square, and I like how it waves from the inside to the outside. It looks really good. I like it. Awesome. What about the other side? Let's check it out. Amazing. So yeah. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Volkswagen cars, do head down to Sri Hartamas, where you can locate their showroom right here. There are tons of cars for you guys to take a look at, and you can check out the description below and you can meet up with Brian. He'll be more than happy to assist you. It's a beautiful place to be. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.